Okay, my name is Becky. Probably the things that were bothering me the most was just the nervousness of operations and things like that, knowing it is major surgery, but it made me feel better knowing that there's the good support system around me. I had blood pressure problems with my health. I had diabetic, and due to lots of falling over, I'm very clumsy. It was putting more pain and that on my ankles and things like that. So I know for me it's what I had to do. And I thought, no, I need to do this. I need to do something so I'm around. So I'm coming on to 5 months next month. Actually, no, this month now. So on the 12th, I'll be hitting 5 months. I can now go upstairs without feeling I'm going to have a heart attack when I go up the stairs. I volunteer to actually go up the stairs whenever I need to see the boss, things like that. I'm more flexible, or not that I saw it today during yoga, but I know there's a work in progress. But yes, it's just all over making me feel better. Right now I've actually lost 31 kilos. My goals over the next 12 months is, first of all, I've entered into the 5K marathon, something I never thought I'd do. I'm doing the 12-week boot camp and I'm not going to miss a week. I'm ready for that, although I'll be red-faced, but I'm ready. And just trying different things, like today doing the yoga, mindfulness class, just doing different things. So I turned 50 this year as well, so I want to be fit by my 50th, and just keep on challenging myself. Something that I'm a little bit hesitant, just do it, because once you do something you feel so much better for it. Weight Loss Solutions Australia, you know you have the team there, and it was present here today, trying yoga, and I did feel better after it.